Good morning to all. Today I am going to explain degrees of comparison. First I want to say what is adjective. An adjective is a word which describes or modifies noun or pronoun. Then what is a noun? Noun is name of the person, place, thing, animal. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which used place of noun. For example, I, we, he, she, it, you, they. Anil is a good boy. Radha is a beautiful girl. In these two sentences, we identify what is the adjective here. Anil is a good boy. In this sentence, good is adjective and boy is noun. Already I have told you an adjective is a word which describes or modifies noun or a pronoun. So adjective is a quality of noun. What is the noun here? Boy. If I say Anil is a boy, there is no adjective. When I say Anil is a good boy, in this sentence good is adjective. The second sentence, Radha is a beautiful girl. In this sentence, what is the adjective here? Beautiful. And what is the noun here? Girl. So always adjective always comes before noun. So in this sentence, girl is noun and beautiful is adjective. Adjectives are divided by 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. What is positive? When there is no comparison is called positive. Second one, comparative. When you compare between two things, two persons and two places, that is comparative. Third one is superlative. When we compare more than two things or when you select from whole, that is called superlative. Now some examples of positive, comparative and superlative. Small. Small is a adjective. Small is positive degree of adjective. Small, smaller, smallest. Smaller is comparative degree of small. When you change from positive to comparative, we have to add their ear like smaller. When you change from positive to superlative, we have to add their est like smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. High, higher, highest. Long, longer, longest. So, when you change from positive to comparative and superlative, when you change from positive to comparative, we have to add their er. When you change from positive to superlative, we have to add est. In the comparative degree, we add er to the word. So, small is a word. When you change from positive to comparative, we have to add their er. In the comparative degree, we add er to the word. In the superlative degree, we add est to the word. We have to follow some rules. Any word that ends with the consonant y changes to ier or iest. Any word which word end with letter y, consonant y, when you change from positive to comparative, we have to add their ier. When you change from positive to superlative, we have to add their iest. For example, heavy, heavier, heaviest. Heavy, heavy is a positive degree. Heavy end with which letter? Y, consonant y. So already I have told you which word ends with consonant y. When you change from positive to comparative, instead of y, we have to write ier, heavy, heavier. Then superlative. HEAVIEST. When you change from positive to superlative, we have to add there IEST. Happy, happier, happiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Then come next rule. By doubling the last letter and then adding ER and EST. By doubling the last letter, suppose big. Big is an adjective which some adjectives last letter and then adding ER. Like here a big, when you change from positive to comparative, last letter and then adding ER. Last letter double letter like big, bigger, biggest. Then a dim, dimmer, dimmest. Dim also end with letter M. Then when you change from positive to comparative, last letter be double letter by doubling the last letter. So here a dim, D-I-M, dim. You have to write here D-I-M-M-E-R, dimmer. Then dimmest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Then come next rule. Some examples do not follow any rules. Already I have explained some rules, but some rules do not follow any rule, like bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, good or well, better, best, much, much or many, more, most. Much used for uncountable noun and many used for countable noun. Both comparative is more and superlative is most. There are some adjectives which are long words, hence we add more or most to their comparative or superlative. There are some adjectives which are long words. When you change from positive to comparative, we have to add more. When you change from positive to superlative, we have to add most. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Comfortable, more comfortable, most comfortable. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. So here beautiful is a adjective. When you change from positive to comparative, we have to add there more. And when you change from positive to superlative, you will add most. Already I have explained. So some rules are there. Some adjectives also, they do not follow any rule. And some adjectives are there. We have to add there more and most. And also which noun, which adjective end with the letter Y. Instead of a Y, we have to write there IR, and from positive to superlative, we have to write here IEST. Now we'll do some exercise. Circle the correct option. Cherries are sweeter or sweet than strawberries. In this sentence, here compare between two fruits, cherries and strawberries. Already I have told you, when you compare between two things, two persons and place, we have to write their year. And again one thing, in the sentence you have to see there than is there. You have to write their year. Then what is the answer? Cherries are sweeter than strawberries. She is the bright or brightest student in our class. She is the bright or brightest in our class. So many students are in our class, but we have to select only one girl. So what will write here? Superlative. Already I have told you superlative means you have to add their EST. And again, if the is there, you have to write here EST. She is the brightest student in our class. If than is there, write ER, and if the is there, write EST. That is a bigger or big sandwich. In this sentence, there is no comparison. Then what will write here? That is a big sandwich. Devi is more intelligent or most intelligent than Asmi. In this sentence, we compare between Devi and Asmi, two girls. So, we will write here more intelligent. Why? Here a than is here. So, you have to write comparative more intelligent. Your house is bigger or big than mine. Here also compare between your house and my house. Then than is here. You would write here bigger. He was the cleverest or clever thief of all. He is the cleverest because here the you have to write your superlative. He was the cleverest thief of all. He is rich or a richest man. In this sentence, there is no comparison. Only positive degree you write he is rich man. So students, already I have explained all the rules of degree of comparison. And I think you learn well. Those are preparing for OTT, OSTT and JT exams. Will prepare and you will get these questions above this. Learn well and subscribe our channel. Thank you.